Hello everyone, myself Bunny and welcome back to my channel BFX Factory. In today's video, I will teach you about the Element 3D plugins. There are many more videos in YouTube. I also want to share my experience in this Element 3D plugins. How easy is this? Okay, so I want to make this as episodes. This will be the class 1. Okay, so please watch my video till the end. If you learn something from my video, please do comment in my comment section below so that I will make more videos on Element 3D basics. Without much further delay, let's start the video. So first I will take a new composition by clicking here. I am taking this preset HDTV 1080. Okay, and I will rename this as main comp. Okay, always rename your comp. Okay, now I will go to layer, new, solid. I will name it as element. Hit OK, and now go to effect. You can find the element 3D plugin here in the video copilot element. Okay, now we have this preset of element 3D. We have various options. I will show you one by one. Okay, let's go to scene setup. Let's create some 3D models. Let's create a basic model. Okay, so go to here, create, and there are various options like square, sphere, cylinder, and many more things. I am taking this plane. Okay, let's zoom it. You can see this is visible only above, not below. Okay, so to visible this, click on two-sided plane like this. Now you can see above and below at both sides. Okay, now I will take in this one, square. Okay, let's decrease its size here, scale, and decrease its size. Okay, like this. Let's drag it up to here. Okay, now let's click OK. Now you can see this is only in one perspective, in front perspective. We cannot move it in 3D space. Okay, so to move it in 3D space, we will create a new camera. Go to layer, new, and then camera. Okay, so here is your camera setup. Always take 2-node camera and preset take as you want. So I always use 35mm. Okay, and hit OK. Okay, so now we can move this. How? You can click various camera presets here, or for shortcut direct C. Okay, let's zoom it like this, and again click C to rotate this like this. Okay, again click C to move it like left, right, and up and down. Okay, so use shortcut C, only C. Okay, only C for various camera movement. So this is the camera movement. Okay, now let's know about the element options. Here is our various options like group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. Okay, then animation engine, world transform, costume layers, utility, render setting, and outputs. Let me know you what is this group. Okay, to know, let's go to scene setup now. Here you can see this both square and this plane are in a group. Okay, if we put it in group 2 or group 3, okay, it will change to the group 3. in the main panel. Okay, so let's give you some example. I am duplicating this by Control D. Okay, and I'm let's rename it by group 2. Okay, both group are same elements, so let me delete this box model from the group 1 and delete the plane model from the group 2. So in group 1 I have this plane, and in group 2 I have this box model. Okay, let me show you what is group 1 group 2. Okay, we have this option enable. If we uncheck this, the model will hide, the plane is hidden now. Okay, because the plane model is in group 1. Okay, similar to that, in group 2 we have this square model. Okay, if we uncheck this, this will also hide. Okay, so for today's tutorial I will only let you know only the settings which is basic and useful for beginners. Okay, so now let's go to render setting, and here we have this option: physical environment, lighting, shadow, ambient occlusion, surface scattering, and this all. Okay, for today we will know only ambient occlusion and shadow. Okay, so let's go to ambient occlusion first. What is this? Let's click here in enable AO. Okay, click here. You can see there are some depth shadow kind of thing is appear here. You can uncheck and check here to see the difference. Okay, now for shadow we need a light source. If we don't have any lights, there is no any shadows. So let's create a new light. You can take any parallel light, spotlight, point light, or anything. Okay, I am taking this parallel light. Okay, always make it white, intensity 100, and this will be always smooth. Okay, and cast shadow, because I'm going to show you the shadow. Okay, click OK. So now you can see there are some dark areas and there is some light areas, because the light is directly placing in this face. Okay, so let's change its position. Click here to see its various perspectives. Click here and click top. Okay, so always remember, this is our camera, this is our model, and this is our light source, and we are watching this from the top. Okay, so let's move it to this area. This is the focus of the light, and this is the light source. Okay, let's move it little bit like this. Okay, now let's go to front view. This is the front view. Let's take it little bit up and focus of the light little bit down. Now go to active camera. Now you can see. Now let's create a shadow. Okay, go to render setting and shadow. Check here in the enable. Okay, now you can see this shadow. If your GPU is good enough to render more quality, then change it this shadow mode to shadow mapping to ray traced. Okay, it will give you the sharp result, but for now I am using this shadow mapping only. Let's zoom it little bit to see the details. You can see you can also increase this ambient occlusion at here, this increase this intensity as you want. Okay, 10 is much more. I'm taking this 5. Okay, if I change the color of light like this, here the light also color also change. Okay, so this is for today's tutorial. In upcoming tutorial I will teach you more about Element 3D. So take care, stay safe.